Hey Bougies, and welcome to my channel, Broke Bougie Glamour TV. And if you love affordable shopping hauls, lifestyle videos, home decor, home organization videos, beauty videos, feel free to subscribe and join my Broke Bougie family. So today, Bougies, I'm going to be organizing under my vanity in my bathroom. I just recently moved and it needs to be organized. So I know you're wondering why I have on a blouse and makeup and everything if I'm just organizing underneath my bathroom sink. Because I just made a video on my new luxury bathroom, so be sure to check that video out. I will leave the link down below or somewhere in this video. But today I have another type of video. I'm trying to get organized in my new apartment, and this bathroom sink underneath it needs to get organized. So I have some Dollar Tree baskets. That's where I usually get my baskets from, but lately I've been trying to get baskets from like Marshalls or Home Goods. But these are some baskets I already had. I have two pink baskets from the Dollar Tree. They're kind of on the small side, but I don't have that much room underneath the sink. It's a little bit spacious, but not too spacious. So I have these two pink baskets. I have this small little brown one I already own already. And these are new. These two baskets are new. You get two in a pack for $14.99 from Home Goods. And the brand is Lily Lincoln Home Collection for $14.99. It's like a lavender purplish color, and if you go check out my previous video on my bathroom, my luxury bathroom, I have a lot of purple in the bathroom. So be sure to click on the link and check that video out. And I'm gonna see how much items I can fit underneath here, because I do have a lot of items that I have to put underneath the sink. Some things gonna have to go somewhere else because I don't want to crowd it too much underneath my sink. But I'm just trying to make it a little bit more organized. And I might have to get some more baskets if I run out of room. So this is how they look. They're like 17 inches long, so that is great. It's like a weave material. I really wanted just like hard plastic, but I can't find anything. Couldn't find it in this color, like a purple color. It had it in gray, and I think they had it in white. I was thinking about going back getting a gray color because it was nice, a nice color. So let me stop talking. If you like these type of videos, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another upload that I do. So let me get started organizing under my vanity and get organized. Yes. So as you can see, I have a lot of products to put underneath the sink. And I need to clean out underneath this vanity, you know, sanitize everything, make sure it's clean, give it a good wipe down. So let's get organized, Bougies. Okay, Bougies, this is what I did. I try to get as organized as possible. When you have a lot of stuff, you know, it's kind of hard. But some things I put in my laundry area because we had too much stuff under here. So as you could tell, I was only able to use one of those baskets because they are big. And it was like 17 inches long. And I don't have that much space underneath this vanity. So I did use my white and gray Lazy Susan. I had an extra one from the kitchen and I didn't really need it in the kitchen because I have a bunch of Lazy Susans in here. So I didn't want it to go to waste. So I put it underneath the bathroom sink. I can't turn it, but it does play a part underneath here helping me out with my husband, you know, items and my items. So I tried to put my husband, you know, his shaving cream and everything in a brown basket from the Dollar Tree. As much products as I could fit. This basket from the Dollar Tree has some of our cleaning products in it. This other pink basket from the Dollar Tree has like our extra toothpastes, our extra toothbrushes, cotton balls, toothpicks, things like that. Some thermometers. Back here, I try to put like some of my makeup wipes and Q-tips, like things I don't have to grab for as much. I put it towards the back, like the alcohol, extra paper towel. Like the items I have underneath the sink, we already have some out somewhere else. So it doesn't make a big deal that I have to, you know, grab some items from the back because these are like our backups. This is what I came up with. And actually, I could take you to the laundry area where I did some of my organization up there already. We had so many chemicals for cleaning, shampoos, conditioner. Some things I did give away because I had too much of things and like triple and quadruple of certain items. So you do have to declutter items like this also. And items that you know you're not going to use, do yourself a favor and just declutter it and get rid of it. So let me take you to the laundry area. This is what I have for right now. I know I'm gonna have to go under here again and declutter again, organize again. I might try to find some different baskets and get rid of these pink ones, maybe some gray ones to go with the purple ones back there. I try to keep my husband baskets brown, but if I can try to find a gray one, I'm gonna put his stuff in there. Okay, so I did do some organization inside my laundry area. If you could see it, I piled the tissue, extra tissue over there, some cat products, some shampoos. This brown basket is from the Dollar Tree also. It's longer and rectangle, so I added some more shampoos and, you know, conditioners. And that bin, this black bin, if you could see it, is from the Dollar Tree, and it has a lot of cleaning products in that one also. Store some more cleaning products this way in a brown basket from the Dollar Tree. Put my laundry detergent, fabric softener, things like that. So this shelf is pretty long. So the shelf is pretty long in my laundry area. So I'm happy about that. So I was able to store a lot of chemicals up here because I can't store my chemicals in the kitchen underneath the sink where I usually put my chemicals because I needed to put my extra pots underneath there. So it could be better up here, but this is what I did so far because like I said, I moved and I just needed to get all of my chemicals up and put up somewhere. So this is what I did up here. So I hope you enjoyed my little organization underneath my bathroom vanity. Stay tuned for more videos of me organizing. I got a lot of things to organize because I just moved. And make sure you click on that link down below or somewhere in the video and watch my luxury bathroom tour that I just did. You're gonna love it, trust me. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload that I do. Till next time, Bougies, bye.